following a counter-economic blockade call announced by the Kuki CSO Working Committee, Ukhrul, Kuki groups have begun inspecting vehicles and seizing essential commodities along the Imphal-Ukhrul road. According to a press statement issued by the committee, the decision was taken after repeated appeals, memorandums, and meetings with authorities failed to resolve the ongoing inter-district economic blockade in Kuki inhabited areas. After joint deliberations with CSOs from Ukhrul and Kangpokpi, the committee decided to launch the counter-blockade as an unavoidable step. Following the announcement, local residents, primarily Kuki women, gathered at Shenkai village near Litan along the Imphal-Ukhrul route to inspect passing traffic in front of security personnel. Protesters stopped Tangkhul-owned vehicles traveling from Imphal towards Ukhrul and confiscated food items and essential supplies found inside. Minor verbal altercations were also reported between commuters and demonstrators during the checks. The committee clarified that medical emergencies, passenger vehicles, airport commuters, and security forces will be allowed to pass after thorough inspection. However, all government and private institutions across 14 Kukizo villages within their jurisdiction will remain closed until further notice.